Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can find TikTok Shop on PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. First up, if you're going to open your browser and search for TikTok.com, and here make sure that you sign in with your account. So as you can see here, you don't have any options to basically or directly go to TikTok Shop. So what you're going to do here is go and add a new tab right here, and then we're going to the Google search and search for TikTok Shop. So press enter on your keyboard. And then here you will find all the results. So basically we're going to select this one, TikTok Shop. So once you click on the website, as you can see here, TikTok Shop. So create, join, and sell more. So let your customer discover and buy your products the fun way. So all you need to do here, just need to click on get started. So once you click on this one, so you'll find the page right here. You can select either you're using your TikTok shop as a seller, creator, partner, or affiliate. So you can basically select any of these settings. So once you've selected, you just have to scroll down right here, for example, and then click on learn more button. Or you can basically log in with your account to set up your TikTok shop. So that's it. That's how you basically find TikTok Shop on your PC. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.